Hello, this is Mr. Win, and this video is over solving quadratics by completing the square. So, completing the square can be used to format a quadratic equation in standard form, so it is ready to solve using the square root method. Although factoring the zero product property is much faster, not every problem is factorable. This method works 100% of the time. Note that problems that are factorable have answers that are rational. That means the answers are whole numbers and fractions. For completing the square, here are the steps. Remember, you're going to rewrite the x squared plus bx is blank into x plus b over 2 all squared. Get the x squared term by itself by moving constants and multipliers. Square root both sides, then simplify. Don't forget the plus minus sign when solving. If the square root disappears entirely, you must write out both cases separately. Here's the first problem. X squared minus 10x minus 39 equals 0. Rewrite the problem with the two blanks. Use the b over 2 squared formula to figure out what goes in the blanks. B is negative 10. Divide that 2 is negative 5. Square that, you get 25. 25 goes in the blanks. This minus 5 goes next to x in parentheses. Also, the negative 39, negative 25 combined to negative 64. There's only one x in the problem. Try to get this x squared by itself. You're going to move the 64 to the right side by adding. Then you square both sides, get rid of the square power. The left side is x minus 5. The right side, square root of 64 is 8. No need to do the tree branch here. And don't forget the plus minus. We move this 5 to the right side by adding it. Because there's no square root in the answer, you need to split it up to two cases. X equals 5 plus 8, and then x equals 5 minus 8. Simplify those two things, and you get positive 13 and negative 3. So that's our answer, two whole numbers. This problem was actually factorable, and you could have solved it in 2 lines instead of 9 lines. Here's example 2. X squared plus 8x minus 2 equals 0. Rewrite the problem with two blanks. Do the b over 2 squared formula. B is positive 8 in this case. 8 divided 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. 16 goes in both blanks. The plus 4 goes next to x in parentheses. And then minus 2 minus 16 makes minus 18. Solve for x by moving the 18 over. It'll be positive on the right side. Get rid of the square power by square rooting both sides. The square root of 18 is not a nice whole number, so you do the tree branch method. There's a pair of 3's, a leftover 2. So 3 goes on the outside, 2 on the inside. So now it's x plus 4 on the left equals plus or minus 3 root 2 on the right. Move the 4 over by subtracting. There's a square root left over, so do not break up the two problems. And that's our answer. If there are any questions, ask your teacher. Thanks for watching. Bye.